Hello, my name is Chris Sobieski, and we are at the 2021 SEMA Show in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm here to show you Tru Point. What we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and start out by IDing the vehicle that we're going to work on. This is a menu-driven software. It will give us the specifics of the vehicle that we are working on to be able to do the alignment validation and the calibration placement for what we're going to do on this vehicle is a front camera calibration. We are going to start out by doing the alignment validation. The Tru Point right now is looking for all 4 targets. We need to go ahead and adjust the height of our camera frame to a position where it could see all 4 targets. We are ready to go, and we're going to go into our positioning of the vehicle for the alignment check. So we're going to simply roll the vehicle forward, roll it back, and roll it forward again. It's now going to show that our compensation is complete. We're going to go ahead and we're going to set the parking brake so the vehicle can't move, and then place the next button right here where we will move on to doing the pointer target calibration. This is going to allow us to measure the pitch, roll, and yaw of the surface that we are working on and compensate for any problems that we may have with the floor condition. So we go step by step to each wheel, placing the pointer on the floor. And once we have achieved that, we now have the plane of the floor measured out. The next step now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit next, where the Tru Point will start following the OEM's procedure, for this instance Toyota, and we are going to be going directly to the bumper to start our measurement. And we just want to give you an example here that the software in the Tru Point is intuitive and will not allow the technician to make a mistake. You see right now that I am in the yellow, and I do not have the ability to advance the screen until I go ahead and make sure that I am exactly correct in position, where I could then go to the next step. We're going to move back 1,077 millimeters. Lock it in place. Adjust my square and my center. We're going to go and set our frame height, which is done electronically based upon the position of the vehicle on the floor. And then we're going to go ahead, and the Tru Point is going to call out the exact target that we need, following the Toyota procedure of a sequential calibration, position 1, position 2, and position 3. So we get position hanger 3 here. And then position hanger number 2. We will hang the target on the front of the frame. Verify that the target is in the correct position. Hit next. We will at this point go to the vehicle and connect the scan tool. Start the calibration procedure. Once the calibration for position 1 is completed, we would hit procedure complete. Then next, it will now move us to position 2. Where I will get myself set, hang the target on the frame, advance the screen, go back to the scan tool and start the calibration for position 2. When the vehicle calls out that we need to move to position 3, we will then advance to the last step. And then go ahead and hit next for the last time. Go back to the scan tool, push the button. The scan tool will report back that the calibration is completed. We go procedure complete. It brings us down to the ability to redo the calibration if something wasn't correct. Otherwise, we'll go ahead and hit done. And the Tru Point went through in a 5-minute process of doing a calibration on a forward-facing camera, checking the wheel alignment as well. The thrust angle, the total toe, the steerer head, rear toe are correct. Front camera calibration, distance, height, position, rotation, and thrust line, center line are all correct. If I want to go and look into the details of the alignment, I can see that the Tru Point also measures the cross diagonal of the vehicle to make sure that we don't have structural damage. It measures tire diameters on all 4 wheels to assure us that we have equal sized tires, as well as our actual alignment values. Thanks for taking the time to take a look at the Tru Point at the John Bean Total Shop Solutions booth at SEMA 2021, booth number 32017.